Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel and welcome to the first of the Summer Nights premiere train. If you're here with us on premiere night, we're switching up our schedule. Instead of going in the middle of the day on Wednesdays, we're going to go on in the evenings. And so we're going to pretend like we're at the drive-in movie theater, and I hope you have some popcorn ready. Just don't go to the back seat and make out. Okay, so I am in the mood to play with my palette knives tonight. And I want to try something I've never done before, so this may turn out absolute crap, but I'm here to play. I'm working on a 12 by 12 tile, and I want to do a hide and reveal swipe like I see Jessica Winterstrom doing and several other artists. I'm going to start with a pillow of Amsterdam titanium white. This is mixed fairly thick. It's my pillow, so I want it to be fairly thick. Its main job is to help the other paints move, and we're not going to tilt this all the way out, but I do kind of want a bit of a square shape to work with here. And I may use my scraper or my palette knife to shape that up a little bit, actually. Oh, I'm spilling my paints. Darn it. I didn't want to do that. Fortunately, I have a lot of it. Oh. Well, I'm going to have a mess to clean up later anyway. So, we're going to pop some air bubbles. I did just mix up these paints. I'm not expecting to keep this. I'm expecting to learn something from this, so I'm not too worried about air bubbles tonight. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and do it the way I've never done it this way, where she loads up. I've seen lots of artists do this, load up their palette knife or their scraper tool and then drizzle the paint across. I'm going to try and do that. That was pretty good. I made it a bit of a mess, but let's try that again. Ooh, that's not as easy as they make it look. You do need more paint than you think.
Baby, you rock my world. Baby, you rock my world like no one else. You make it spin and twirl. Baby, you rattle my chain. Baby, you rattle my chain. Yeah, you found the key destiny. Oh, whoa. Well, can you feel the fire as we're moving to the rhythm of love? And every time we're close together, you're making me feel so fine. The way you say those magic words and look into my eyes, I get this crazy feeling deep in my soul when you hold my hand, never let go. Girl, you make me lose control when we're moving to the rhythm of love. Yeah, the rhythm of love. The rhythm of love. Yeah, love. The rhythm of love. I'm spinning out of control when we're moving to the rhythm of love. The rhythm of love. The rhythm of love. I'm spinning out of control when we're moving to the rhythm of love.
Okay, some observations. I'm really happy with this as my first attempt, although I know I have a long way to go. I'm really happy I did that splatter blow. It made it very floral, actually. And look at how it came back together. It really looks like, I almost played with that, but I love the way that looks. Like the pistils and stamens coming out of a flower is really nice. I love that I did that swipe right there. Those cells are beautiful. I was expecting a lot more of that from my initial swipe. But I pulled out some of the Bird of Paradise and the Show Pony in a couple of different places. So I'm happy that all the colors are showing. The turquoise blue and the Arteza Bordeaux red are both opaque colors. So not surprising that the transparent pink and orange aren't as visible, but I'm happy. Overall, I'm really happy with the color palette. The overall structure is good. Looks like I dripped off of my finger here maybe, or maybe off of the palette knife. But yeah, I think this was a fun first attempt. Some really fun details in there. It was fun playing with my palette knife. I hope you enjoyed watching me play, and I hope you join us for our Wednesday premiere trains. And yeah, thanks. And don't forget to do the YouTube things, subscribe, like, comment, all of those things, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.